In this video, we'll do queries in base. So first of all, we'll open the database file which we have already created in previous videos. So database, open, student file, finish. So here click on table. We've already created and typed the data in the student table with the fields roll number, name, standard, date of birth and percentage. So let us close the table. Now to create query, click on query tab. Now we'll create the query in design view. Select the table whose query you want to create. So student table, add and close. So this, by mistake, if you click it twice, thrice, the table will be added those many times. So you can right click it and you have a delete option. So now first query is display roll number and roll number, name and date of birth of students. So I'll double click roll number, double click name and double click date of birth. Now we want to add percentage also. So from here also you can add. Click here and click this percentage. Visible by default, it is tick marked, so it will be visible. Now save the query. It will ask for the name. I'll keep it query 1 only. OK and close. Double click query 1. You can see. So this is the way you fetch a few columns of the table. Now another query will do. So again design view, add the table, add, close. Now the next query that we'll do is display the roll number and the name of the students where percentage is greater than 80. So in criterion of percentage column, because I want percentage greater than 80. So in the column of percentage and in the row of criterion, I will write if the condition is greater than 80, you write greater than 80. Now if you click on close, it will ask for save. Yes. Okay. So now is query 2 done. You can see 88, 99, 94. So that was one condition we gave. Now we'll give two conditions. Now again we'll add the table, close it. Now every time I won't save the query. If for you, obviously it is compulsory to save the query, but to save time, I'll just give the demo quickly of various conditions that can be applied on the query. So the next query is display the details of the students where name is Rahul or Raj. So here which all columns do you want? For example, you want roll number and name. So here. Now criterion is given in name, where name is Rahul or Raj. Now here when you give textual such conditions, it is important to know that if the data type is varchar, ignore case, then any case the output you will get. But if you have not done varchar ignore case, then you won't get the output if you don't write the correct case in this criterion. Now note down, we have written in row of criterion Rahul and another condition Raj we have given in or row beneath Rahul. Now we'll save and close. So close. Okay. So query 3, you can see the output. Rahul and Raj. So both the conditions were satisfied. So we got both the rows. Now another query. Add the table. Close. Next query is where display the students where the standard is 11 and percentage greater than 80. So stand in criterion of standard, I will write 11 and percentage greater than 80. So two conditions, and the condition in between these two, there is AND operator. So we are writing in the criterion row only both the conditions. So close. Yes. Query 4. Okay. None of the condition is satisfied. So I'll just change it. Click on edit. None of the row satisfies the condition. Sorry. I write 12 and here percentage greater than 80. File, close, save, yes. Now let us open. We get roll number 4, 5 and 6. 12 standard, 94, 86 and 99. Next. Again add the table. Close. One minute. Student table we have added. Now the query we want to create where date of birth is empty. Display records of those students. So we'll select name, roll number and date of birth. And in function we will write, in criterion only we will write is empty. and close. Yes. Okay. Here we have not written date of birth for Sunny and Niva. One more query. So design view, student, close, double click student table. Next question is display the record of students where percentage is between 80 and 100. 80 and 90 also you can write. So here in percentage we'll write between 80 and, for example, we give it 95. Alright. So here we will close. Yes. Okay. So query 6. Open it by double clicking. We get 88, 94 and 86. Roll number 1, 4 and 5. Next query. Close. Where display the record of students where the name begins with R. Roll number, name, wherever you have this begins with R. So first letter has to be R and then we'll put asterisk. And with asterisk is a wildcard character. There is a condition that we should use like operator. So we are supposed to write like, then R asterisk. Save. Close. Yes. So here it is Raj and Rahul, two names that begin with R. Now next query. Create a parameter query for name. So here we enter roll number, name, standard. Now for parameter query in name we have to first put colon and then type the name of the field. So here the name of the field is name. I change my question, display create a parameter query for roll number. This will create a parameter query for name. Now consider we want to create a parameter query for roll number. So in roll numbers criterion we will write colon and then we'll type same spelling of that column, that is roll number, and then save and close. Okay. So query 8. See here now it will ask for roll number. So if you write 2, okay, it will show you the record of 2. I run it again. If we write 6, it will show us the record of 6. like that. This is called parameter query. Now the question is, write a query to subtract 1 from percentage. So here we'll write roll number, we'll display name, we'll display percentage, -1 we'll write here because they've asked us to subtract 1. Now I'll save. You can see it, I have written percentage -1. So if you write alias, new percentage, then that will appear, and if you don't write the alias, then the formula that you have written will appear as a column name. Kindly note down that while seeing the output. So file, close, yes, okay. So query 9, you can see 88 minus 187, similarly entire table. And you can see name of the column as new percentage, which we wrote in alias. If we would have not written, then here it would have appeared percentage -1. Now one more query, display sum of, or better is display average